how you feeling? You all right?
Yeah.
Anything broke?
Nah, stuff nice.